A. Planning and brainstorming.
1. The name of the room, science laboratory. 2. The size, large and rectangle sized. 3. The object, tables, chairs, desks, microscopes, reaction tubes, laboratory coat. 4. The activity, science experiments and student discussion.
B. Outlining and drafting.
Identification. Text. The name of the room, science laboratory. Description. Feature 1. The size. The science laboratory in my school is located near the school gate. It is large and rectangle sized. Feature 2. The object. The objects inside the science laboratory are tables, chairs, desks, microscopes, reaction tubes, laboratory coat. Feature 3. The activity. The activities inside science laboratory are students doing science experiments and students doing discussion together.
C. Writing and editing.
It is my school science laboratory. The science laboratory in my school is located near the school gate. It is large and rectangle sized. Inside the science laboratory, there are many tables, chairs, desks, microscopes, reaction tubes, laboratory coat. Microscopes, reaction tubes, and laboratory coat are used by students when conducting experiments. In the science laboratory, students can do science experiments and student discussion. The science laboratory is one of my favorite places in school because it is full of knowledge and experience.